Where to find the best sites. Dogs and puppies. Hello. Here you will find where to solve your questions about how to prevent dog bites. These are the best resources we could find on the web. Our top-ranked site to learn about how to prevent dog bites is ottawavalleyDogWhisperer.blogspot.com. Specifically the page titled Ottawa Valley Dog Whisperer, How to Stop Your Dogs. Here's the link. Try also our second-ranked site tipnut.com, especially the page How to Prevent Mosquito Bites, tipnut.com. Here's the link. Last but not least, try our third-ranked site bedbugger.com. The web page How to Get Rid of Bed Bugs, Stop Bed Bug Bites, Bedbugger. Here's the link.